Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for tuning in. Akhohlwa ukusubscribe le channel mangaba ukwenzi kanjalo. Please mangaba subscribe le ngiyabonga kakhulu. Continue ngoku like ama video. You press like bese uyapressa share. Share which means you are sharing the video to somewhere else or to somebody else, you know what I mean? Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu kathi ke nama ads. Please ungawaskip. That is very very important. Ngibonga kakhulu support bafethu siyakhula as a channel. We are going straight to 9,000 subscribers. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, so please do subscribe. Angithi uyabona ukuthi sisele nama subscribers a few ukuthi sishayele ya 9,000, so please do so, kindly subscribe for your sister. Now asikhulumeni ke ngothando nesithembu sisa yenza ke siqhubeka ke si review episode 6 no 7. I think phela ngizohlanganisa izinto ngoba u6 no 7 usuke nje kuqhutshekwa, you know what I mean? So yeah, mina bafethu udaba lunga number 5 uye wafika usamke khwela elethe ubaba uMusamseleku kumamkhulu uMacele azomintroduce njengoba wayishilo umamkhulu ukuthi umusu ready ungamletha number 5 ngizombona. And I do believe ukuthi umamkhulu the way ayenza ngakhona ijabulelo number 5 ngalendlela, I feel like wenzela nje ngathini to get back to umayeni noma ngwabe abathi bona ke bazohamba something like I feel like yabona nje nalapha mabehleli kudina ukuthi she was like yay uyezona like she's happy ngaleyo ndlela leyo ubona ukuthi she's happy but she's not happy. It's like she's using wife number 5 to get back to umayeni noma ngwabe abathi bayohamba. I can see yonke leyo nto leyo for me. Yes, umamkelile kuhle, siyabona noma efika lapha nomakhwela nje umamkhulu free right nje uyamtshela nje kodwa ama izinto ukuthi angizokuba nguma wakho, angizokuba yini yakho, mina nje ngafika la ngithola ngamamezala nawe awumfica ngumamezala, I'm not your mother-in-law, all that uyalibeka unyawo lwakhe la kumele alibeke khona ukuthi umamkele, yabo. But kudina lapha mangabe kunywa number 5, I think she was just saying those things to get back at umangwabe noma yeni ukuthi mangabe ni happy ethi kuMusamsele kumlethe, you know, labayana bethi asifuni, you know, obviously uMusamsele uzoyenza okusho umamkhulu ngoba umamkhulu uvumile ngoba ushilo uMusamsele ukuthi as long as kuvuma uMacele yena une go ahead, ayikho enye into esingamphazamisa ukuthi number 5 afike ekhaya ngoba sekuvume bani kuvume umamkhulu. So yonke lento enjabulo yakhe, mina for me it appears as if she's trying to get back to those abathi bazohamba mangabe kungena umunye unkosikazi. Kanti bazohamba kanjani ngoba nabo bangena bethola kukhona amakhosikazi, you know, umayeni wangena wathola kukhona umamkhulu noma nje sezwe isitolo sokuthi okay wayevele khona in the picture what happened kwase kushadwa ke uMacele, you know what I mean? Umangwabe wangena nje number 4 kunje wangena wathola kunamakhosikazi awu 3, but according to her wathenjiswa ukuthi akazukwelanywa. So ke manje njengoba eselethela ke umamncane kusho ukuthi hayi ngeke ngcono ke na uyahamba ma kunjalo, you know what I mean? So ke umamkhulu I think she's just using that yeah akafika uMakhwela akafika number 5. Wow, finally you remember tafuleni what finally you can see that is just to get back at those two, but I don't think ngoba ukujabulele nje ngempela ukuthi wow indoda yami ishada wenkosikazi. No, she's just doing it yes ukumvumela ubaba uMusamsele njengoba yithi uzomsiza bakho umuzi omkhulu umndeni omkhulu, but I think also kusetshenziswa just to get back at umayeni noma ngwabe. That is just me. Mhlawumbe ubona ngenye indlela, but for me ngibona ngathi ufuna ukulaya nje laba bathi bayahamba njengoba wayishilo baba uMusamsele kwathi bahamba yesosala sincenga umayeni sticking to that. Uma ngwabe naye lekethi hayi ngiyahamba nje, you know what I mean? So kunzima bafethu. So ufikile uMakhwela wafika ke ku endlini kaMamkhulu siyabona njengenehlala. I think surprise lebe ngisho ngithi uMamkhulu ubonakala surprised. I think she is surprised. Angithi lapha na besibonile ke ka diary sections kuma diary sections uthe yena angazi noma kufika isilenda noma kufika umuntu omkhulu something like that, you know. Uthe mayengena uMakhwela ngabona ethi you know waba nalokho nokumangala, kanti cha umangala ukuthi ingane encane ngoba ngiyemuzwa kuma diary section mesethi akufuni yena nje ukuthi mncane noma ungakanani, you know, ngoba umekwazi ukuhlala lendoda enganguMusamsele kwi age yakhe ayisho lutho. As long as ukwazi uqoma indoda endala engaka ukuthi uneminyaka emingaka sayingena okusho ukuthi yona into ebimangaza lapha noMakhwela mayengena ngoba she was really amazed what you know what I mean? Kanti mangaze ukuthi incane ke le ngane something like that. So ke siyabona ke ngena inkosi yami wamkela waphiwe imbali. Ngibona ke lapha embalini uyatshelwa ukuthi imbali lezi zimela ke ingane zala ekhaya. So uma unikezwe imbali umuzamkela kanje kusho ukuthi wamukela ka ingane zala ekhaya ke uyamtshela ukuthi ziningi ingane zala ekhaya ziblue zired ziyellow zi10 ubamkela bonke njengoba benjalo abantwana bala ekhaya wabaphiwa ke abantwana bala ekhaya. So ke hayi kube mnandi nje siyabona nje uMsamsele kemcela ukuthi amfundise indlela uthi akathanda baba uMsamsele kuphela indlela agqoka ngayo nangendlela akhuluma ngayo. Uthi umamkhulu hayibo I won't be your mother, I will not. Imagine baba uMsamsele ke sethi akafundise ngumamkhulu indlela akhuluma ngayo nangendlela agqoka ngayo. Ngiyambona uSamkema ekhuluma ukuthi isilungu sodwa nje laphana like she's like a university student. Kukhali isilungu nje laphana this and that yeah you know angazi baba uMsamsele kuyona indlela angayithandi leyo. I mean umulilandi 2K uyalazi mos, you know, I can say she's well educated, uyathanda isilungu and uziphethe kahle futhi muhle, you know what I mean. So indlela akhuluma ngayo angayithanda I think iyo leyo ukuthi ufake isilungu kakhulu anti yini angayithandi lapha yana ekhulumeni kwakho ukhuluma une voice nje emnandi. So ke what is that he doesn't like? I think you're lento ukuthi mhlambe she's throwing English a lot and baba uMsamsele kune English I do not know. Indlela agqoka ngayo sekwayi mention before bebabili wathi kuzomela agqoke kangcono angazi. For me she's so smart. Ugqoka smart uSamke bafowethu. She's a MK, for me she's a MK, you know, ugqoka nje njengomakhumalo something like that. Angisho ukuthi abanye abagqoki kahle bafowethu sengiyasho nje ukuthi ngendlela agqoka ngayo uma ngathi uyamuthi kumakhumalo, you know what I mean, ugqoka nje smart. So what is that baba uMsamsele doesn't like in amahlombe mhlambe ihlombe eliphandle? I guys like ingubo lena yinhle man, you know, nalezi zinyathe ezigqoke nalena igqoke nje ugreen dana igqoke mhlambe emitha nayo yayinehlombe phandle. Ushuthi akathandi lento ukuthi amahlombe akhe asala phandle. I do not know. Uthi hayibo manje sekumele afundiswe yimi umamkhulu loyo sekuthiwa ke akamfundise ezinye izinto. Wathi gela ngificanga umamezare nawe umficanga angeke angizukuba yilokho mina ngizokwamukela njengoba kuba bakhe ayingicelile ukuthi ufuna ukuletha number 5 ngakwamukela wabuye nje hayi kwaba mnandi inkosi yami. Manje sekumele kube nezinto amfundisa zona ukuthi uzongisiza futhi mase ngiyom-introduce kwamanye amakhosikazi wavela wathi ha nayo indoda akavuma umamkhulu uzomela azenzele lokho baba uMsamsele. Hey angazi uyomqonda kanjani uma ngigwabe enoSamke uyoqala kuphi nje? Hey uma yeni yena uyomqala kuphi? Hayi kwamakhe ngiyazi uzoya kamakhe kahle. Manje uma ngwabe noma yena uzokwenza kanjani? Yikho secela usizwe likamamkhulu athi uzongisiza. Ay kodwa kubuhlungu kuba baba uMsamsele dealing with 5 women and lona nje uSamkenda yambona ukuthi hey unayo nje usafika nje she's a whole lot, you know what I mean. Hey ngiyayizwela le ndoda shem. Thanda abantu besifazane lokanye yamzwela baba uMsamsele he's got a lot. Kunjena nje ubhizi uncengana noma yena ukuthi akeze uncengana noma yena ukuthi akabuye back uthi uma yena akazi uzobuya nini. Manje le kaSamke nje kwese introducewe la ekhaya ke sokumele phela sesidlule kaMamkhulu sekumele siye to the other 3 wives. Hey okay siyambona uSamke lapha mase sebeqedile ke sethola ijuice ke ubaba uMsamsele kuyihambe yofuna ijuice ekitchen baphuza ijuice bese ke bese kuthiwa sekuyindlela ke ukuthi ubaba uMsamsele umamkhulu akamkhipheke umakhwela njengoba eze naye kodwa akazokuphuma naye ke uzomkhupha ke umamkhulu uyamkhupha akaze nje lapha endabeni yokutheka ke ukuthi umamkhulu awutheke phela ngibona, you know. I love all that bafethu ngibonisa ukuthi umamkhulu she's very free, she's very welcoming and all that, even though ngiyasho ukuthi for me she's just getting back at other wives ngendlela amabukela ngothathu ogcwele ngakhona. I can tell ukuthi le is just for mine and mangwabe. Ayi nangu uSamkena esethweka lapha egate ayibo kwaze kwakuhle ke khona kodwa so yeah man, noma abantu besithi hayi indaba ka number 5 is scripted ayikho le nto azuyena unkosikazi kaMsamsele ku, but anyways the way bayidlala ngakhona ke it is just fitting nje yonke into nje ngathi hamba ngoline. For me yonke into right. I believe ukuthi he's now free baba uMsamsele ku ngoba ke usebuya ke no number 5 kaMamkhulu usene stress nje sokuya ngale to the other 3, but into ebinkulu yile ekaMamkhulu ukuthi nje am introduce la ekhaya kaMamkhulu. Kodwa ke lokho mase kwenziwe ngibona ngathi usekhululekile use happy nje bafowethu. Siyambona ke uSamke khwela esephuma nembali zakhe uthi Mamkhulu mayesephuma uphuma ke nabantu abakho, you know, ngoba imbali zakuthiwe ke ingane zala ekhaya akathathe ke abantu abakhe ahambeke something like that. Ayikwazi kwakuhle kahle bafowethu. Siyabonga ke baba noku welcome na kahle umakhwela ke noma mkhulu, everything went well. Thank you so much ukuthi ubuka i-video. Ungakhohlwa kusina amanye ama-reviews alandelayo ke silokhu si-review episode 6 na 7. Thank you very much. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi i-video mayibuka Nkosi yami uyi-like ngoba kubalekile. And for those who always want ama-episodes akathando nesithembu, we are not going to get them on my channel ngoba angivunyelwe ukuthi ngilahlele anything engulahlela yithombe. Mangikhuluma ngomuntu ngilahlela isithombe sakhe, something like that. Hayi i-clip, hayi you know what, I'm not gonna do that already senginecala because ngingalahlela i-clip and then I got a strike. You know what I mean. Thank you so much for your love and support. Asiphinde sihlangane kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.